Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, I know the last 24 hours might have not been the best as the whole crypto market is down about 10%. Bitcoin is retesting close to 92k and Doge actually broke below the 38 support. Now that's the point which has caused a lot of panic on Twitter. I mean, if you just pay attention to the trading volume, you'll realize that the trading volume or the new money that's actually flowing into the crypto market is increasing day by day, and this is going to be the thing that's going to signal the next well activity and maybe help you pump up the price even quicker. Now pay attention to how volatile the market is. That's going to be the key point. On the other end, if we decide to fall under 91,500 for Bitcoin, the next support could be close to 85,000. Dogecoin targets a 45% gain amid the Musk association with the Doge development push. FCA announces a UK crypto regulation roadmap for 2025, and digital yuan project for China has failed. Where is all of this money going to flow? There's a lot to cover today. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, and especially Dogecoin. You want the latest, greatest news first, and you want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video to more people, more user engagement, more inflow of cash, the market clips back, and we're all going to make a lot of profit. Now, first thing I want to show you is this should clear a little bit of the air that's in a little bit of panic and fear. Just to give you perspective, now these are the three key lines that you should be paying attention to when you look at the Dogecoin price action right now. If you pay attention, the key resistance that was faced was close to 40 cents. Now after that, it was able to recover, but then we noticed another pullback. Right now we're sitting at a really important support, because if we break below the 38 cents, which we have already done, the next support, which a lot of you guys may be already wondering is going to be, is close to 35 cents. Now if we fall another little bit to 35 cents, after that there is going to be definitely a little bit of consolidation, as there's going to be a lot of limit orders that will definitely protect the price. The reason why we're receiving such super volatile market right now is, first of all, it's heavily dependent on Bitcoin. Since Bitcoin has been dropping so significantly since the Nasdaq listing. Now keep in mind, this is how all of the scenario played out. Nasdaq listing went live in less than 24 hours. Bitcoin went from 92k all the way to 98k. Then it went into consolidation phase for 3 days when all of the whales, which were actually holding Bitcoin, not the ETF, decided to take profit and throw money into this altcoins, and that had this run up right here. Now this run up caused a little bit of people to be like, this is the perfect time to take profit. When this profit taking occurred, same thing happened with Bitcoin, as the Nasdaq ETF people started panicking as the market was not climbing over 100k. Now keep in mind, this time around we were not able to cross the 100k, so we would definitely have to wait until Bitcoin shows us the next move and maybe might be crossing the 100k. From there the panic started crashing in, and then this final push down which we received was a big one, because that actually broke us below the 40-cent support and actually below the 38-cent support as well. There's two reasons for this. Now the first big one being Bitcoin, it being losing the price so quickly. Second one being the fear to the greed index. Now you can see it's in an extreme greed. This is going to be the time when a lot of whales will decide to take profit. And another big reason is actually the open interest. Now I was complimenting how well the open interest is doing, but one thing you need to pay attention to is 15% decline in open interest. It went from about 3.2 billion to 2.7. So you can pay attention, that's close to 500 million that's been liquidated. Now I know those big numbers won't be shown here, but still $33 million being liquidated. That's quite impressive. Now the open interest also includes the leverage that they're doing, but this is how much money it's already been lost in just the last 24 hours. And the reason for this is because you can see that the long to the short ratio, the long traders are still holding really strong. Now the optimism in the crypto market is good. When it comes to Dogecoin, it's also very good. But what's really scary is the amount of heavy risky play that was being played for Dogecoin, because yes, 76%. But if you pay attention to the overall idea, there is a lot of money that's actually being pushed into this, and at the end of the day, what's going to happen is a little bit of a pullback from a whale selling is going to cause the market to push down even harder quickly, because there is a lot of leverage play or riskier play being done. What does this mean? Well, the riskier people are going to be liquidated, and therefore the market is going to push deeper. Now, where is this market going to be slowing down? Well, if you ask me, the next stop for Dogecoin is going to be close to 35 cents, and that's going to be deciding what sort of direction Doge will be taking for now. But keep in mind, November did have a really strong run up. There is going to be a little bit of a pullback before the market is able to show some crazy gains. And right now, it is definitely that time. But this could also be seen as a good time for you to buy your DCA into your favorite coin, because that's exactly what I'm doing in the background. If Bitcoin decides to fall under 91k or 91,500, there is a very high chance that we might be falling all the way down to 85k. If Bitcoin does that, there is going to be a very high chance that most of the altcoins are going to be following this, and they will be taking a really big hit in terms of price as well. The MicroStrategy expands Bitcoin holding to 380,000 following the recent 55,000 acquire. Now, yes, there are some big names which are buying into the crypto market, especially this dip. I mean, if you pay attention to the whale accounts, there's a lot of them. Now, this is the big one. So China's yuan or digital yuan has failed. Now, this is a really interesting way of seeing this, because people are going to be looking for a digital roundabout to this. And if they do decide to look for a digital roundabout, crypto is going to be the best route. So that will definitely push in a lot more money. And another thing is how UK is trying to bring those regulations out, and the roadmap is out, which put the crypto market in a little bit more of a fear. That should give you a little bit of perspective. Doge versus the administrative state. Now, Doge, which is the Doge or Department of Government Efficiency, is one of the reasons why the market has been acting a little strange. Yes, it's been super volatile, and that's also the second reason, because Elon has been very active in terms of posting relating to crypto, and the central bank of Chief Morocco preparing law to allow cryptocurrencies to be used in the country. That's another big statement, because there is going to be a lot of people that will start using cryptocurrency as a form of payment in the country. Now, Binance founder CZ says meme coins are getting a little weird. The way that new meme coins are coming out is definitely just coming out of nowhere, and it's very unexpected, unlike before, where in 2020, if you ask me, it was a little bit more designed market. Right now, it's just very unexpected, and some of the coins questionable. Right now, the best thing to do is probably just be a little patient and try to find your best direction in terms of what you want to buy into. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.